Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Telecommunications Minister Darrell Vaz says discussions will be held with the Jamaica Customs Agency about tightening its inspections amid concerns that illegally obtained copper is being exported under the scrap metal trade. The concern was raised by opposition spokesman on industry investment and global logistics Anthony Hilton during Friday's meeting of the Standing Finance Committee reviewing the 2025-2026 budget. Mr. Hilton noted that while the motive behind the cutting of the fiber optic cables on Tuesday remains unclear, Flow continues to lose millions of dollars from the theft of its copper cables. He therefore questioned whether the Jamaica Customs has been abiding by the ban on the exports of these materials.
That was outlawed in regulation, that no telecoms equipment could be exported under the scrap metal trade. So it still remains a puzzle to me. If that is the incentive, what then is the capacity or the ability for those stolen material to be exported? Because they should be outlawed at the customs.
Minister Vaz says he's also concerned about the theft of copper cables, although the frequency has significantly declined since 2022, when he recommended the suspension of the export of copper in Jamaica's scrap metal industry.
As a result of this particular incident, it's going to come back on the radar, and I'm going to have some discussions, and I will report back to you. But definitely your point is very, very valid, because the fact is that a lot of it is going through and being used for scrap metal.